Adding railings. Let's add railings to the floors. Go to level 1. On the Architecture tab of the Circulation panel, select the Railing tool. Ensure the base level is set to the correct level. Sketch the profile of the rail following the edge of the floor. Use the Pick Line tool and set the offset to 50 millimeters. Pick the edges of the floor, making sure the lines are continuous. Finish the sketch and create another railing to cover the short edge of the rail. Copy and paste the railings to other floors. Edit the railings on the 8th floor to align properly with the floor. To do this, select all the railings, edit path, and then select and delete the redundant parts of the rail.